There's a difference between a younger woman being friendly and a younger woman being open to something more with you. Most older men miss the signals entirely, not because they're not there, but because they're looking for the obvious. She's not going to announce it. She's going to test the water in ways that give her plausible deniability if you don't respond. These are the real signals, the ones that tell you she's thought about it, and she's waiting to see if you have too. 1. She tells you what she's wearing when you're not there. You're texting or talking on the phone and she drops it casually. Just got out of the shower, or I'm literally in a towel right now. There's no reason to tell you this. She's not asking for fashion advice. She's putting an image in your head on purpose and watching to see if you take the bait or play it safe. If she's painting pictures of herself undressed without you asking, she wants you thinking about her that way. This next one is even more deliberate. 2. She asks what you notice about women her age. This isn't curiosity. It's an audition disguised as a question. She wants to know what catches your eye, and she's hoping the answer sounds like her. When a younger woman asks an older man this, she's giving you an open lane to compliment her without it feeling forced. She's also testing whether you're attracted to women in her bracket at all. Your answer tells her if there's a green light. Don't miss what she's really asking. 3. She mentions her body like she's asking for your opinion. I've been working out, but I can't tell if it's doing anything. Do I look tired? I barely slept. She's not venting. She's inviting you to look. When she frames her body as a question, she wants your eyes on her and your opinion out loud. This is permission wrapped in insecurity. Most men play it safe and say something neutral. She's hoping you won't. 4. She brings up past partners but keeps it vague on purpose. She mentions an ex or a hookup but doesn't give details. What she does give is a reaction window. She's watching to see if you get jealous, curious, or unbothered. This isn't storytelling, it's positioning. She's telling you she's sexually active without saying it directly, and she's leaving room for you to wonder what she's like in that context. If she wanted to shut down the sexual dimension, she wouldn't bring it up at all. 5. She describes situations where she felt desired, then watches your face. She tells you about someone hitting on her, or a moment where she felt attractive, then she pauses. This is a test. She wants to see if you're indifferent or if something flickers across your face. When a younger woman shares these moments with an older man, she's not bragging. She's showing you she's wanted, and checking if that lands with you. Your reaction tells her whether you see her that way too. Pay close attention to this next one. 6. She creates reasons to discuss physical boundaries. Is it weird if I hug you when I see you? Would it be awkward if I stayed over sometime? She's not confused about social norms. She's opening a door and handing you the key. When a younger woman starts floating hypotheticals about physical proximity, she's testing your comfort with closeness. If you shut it down, she has her answer. If you lean in, she knows she can push further. The question is the move. 7. She asks if you find something inappropriate, instead of just doing it. Would it be weird if I told you something? Is it okay that I think about this? She's not seeking permission. She's gauging your appetite. Younger women who are open to older men often test the water by framing their own desire as a question. She's putting the tension on the table without fully committing, so if you flinch, she can walk it back. If you don't flinch, she escalates. 8. She references sleep or beds in conversations that don't require it. I was lying in bed thinking about this. My bed is so comfortable I almost didn't leave. There's no logistical reason to bring up where she sleeps or what she does in it. When she keeps steering conversation toward beds, sleep, or what happens late at night, she's planting imagery. She wants you associating her with that space. This next one's even more direct. 9. She mentions what she's not wearing. I'm not even wearing makeup right now. I literally have nothing on under this. She's telling you what's absent and letting your imagination fill the rest. This isn't oversharing. It's an invitation to picture her more intimately than the moment allows. When a younger woman tells an older man what she isn't wearing, she's pulling back the curtain just enough to see if you'll step closer. 10. She lets silences turn heavy instead of filling them. Most people rush to fill awkward pauses. She doesn't. She lets the silence sit and watches you in it. When a younger woman holds eye contact through the quiet, she's not uncomfortable. She's creating tension on purpose. That silence isn't empty. It's charged. And she's waiting to see if you feel it too, or if you break it with something safe. Letting it breathe is the move. 11. She asks what you were like at her age, then steers it toward women. Were you a player back then? Did you date a lot? She's not interested in your college GPA. She wants to know your history with women, and she's imagining herself in that timeline. This question is a doorway into talking about your sexual past in a way that feels casual, but it's not casual. She's gathering intel and deciding whether she wants to become part of that story. 12. She brings up spontaneity as a virtue she values. I'm really spontaneous. I love doing things last minute. She's not giving you a personality overview. She's telling you she doesn't need plans, build-up, or a long courtship. This is signal language for availability. When a younger woman emphasizes how spontaneous she is around an older man, she's telling you the runway is short. If you want to make something happen, she won't need convincing. 13. She tells you when she's home alone without context. My roommate's gone for the weekend. I have the whole place to myself tonight. There's no reason to tell you this unless she wants you to do something with the information. She's not making small talk. She's clearing the logistical path. If she's advertising her alone time, she's wondering if you'll take the opening. Don't overthink it. 14. She reacts slowly to accidental physical contact. Your hand brushes hers. Your leg touches under the table. Most people pull away quickly. It's reflex. She doesn't. She leaves it there a beat too long, like she's savoring it or testing your response. That delay is intentional. She's telling you the contact was welcome. When she doesn't flinch, she's asking if you'll do it again on purpose. 15. She frames hypotheticals about the two of you as jokes. Imagine if we actually... What if someone saw us and thought... She laughs after she says it, but the image is already there. When a younger woman floats ideas about the two of you, then covers them with humor, she's testing how you react to the concept. The joke is the safety net. Your response tells her if she can drop it. Laugh with her, but don't miss the invitation underneath. These signals don't guarantee anything. They simply mean the door is open, and she's waiting to see if you'll walk through it. Because interest this specific rarely stays surface level. It either moves forward, or it fades. And that window doesn't stay open forever. Once you start recognizing these signals, the next thing you'll notice is when it goes deeper than physical. When she's not just open to something, she's already falling. The next video shows you exactly what that looks like. The signs she's secretly in love with you, even if she hasn't said a word.